Welcome to the 365 channel English conversation video series. Don't forget to subscribe and like.
Is it your first visit?
Yes, I'm excited.
Want to sit outside?
Let's do it.
Do you use this app?
Every day.
Can I help carry that?
That's kind, thanks.
Are you on a diet?
Just avoiding sugar.
Did you lock the door?
I think so.
Want some coffee?
No thanks, I'm good.
Do you eat here often?
Almost weekly.
How's your salad?
Fresh and tasty.
You ever been abroad?
Once to Japan.
Are you working now?
On a break.
Got your passport?
All packed.
Do you drive fast?
Never.
Is it your laptop?
Nope, it's hers.
You take vitamins?
Every morning.
Can you hear me?
Loud and clear.
Do you like poetry?
Some of it.
Is this still warm?
A little.
Do you wear glasses?
Only at night.
What's the address?
I'll text it.
Have you fed the dog?
Already done.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Got any hobbies?
I paint sometimes.
Is that your ring?
I lost mine.
What do you read?
Mostly fiction.
Are you feeling better?
Much better now.
Do you like flying?
I prefer trains.
Is the soup hot?
It's perfect.
Can I help clean?
That'd be great.
You want some gum?
Sure, thanks.
Did you study today?
A little.
How do I look?
Like a star.
Is this real leather?
I doubt it.
Do you shop here?
It's my favorite store.
Are you on TikTok?
Only to watch.
Want to share a cab?
Sounds smart.
What's your favorite drink?
Iced tea.
Got extra napkins?
Right here.
Is this your dog?
I'm just walking it.
Can you drive manual?
I prefer automatic.
Are you into fashion?
A little bit.
Did you get my text?
Just now.
Do you know her?
Only by name.
You sleep early.
Not usually.
Want to play a game?
I'm in.
Is this the right way?
Check the map.
Are you busy later?
Just a little.
What's the occasion?
Just felt like it.
Do you eat late?
Only on weekends.
Is that your phone?
Looks like mine.
Can I turn this off?
Go ahead.
Do you watch sports?
Just the finals.
Do you play cards?
Not really.
Want to try some?
Looks good.
Is it still open?
Until 10.
Did you bring snacks?
Only chips.
Are you in line?
Yes, behind her.
Can you hold this?
For a second.
Are you bored?
Just a bit.
What's the plan today?
No idea yet.
Can I see the menu?
It's right here.
Do you write often?
When I can.
Want to dance?
Let's go.
Do you eat spicy?
I love spicy food.
Is the food ready?
Almost done.
You drink milk?
Only almond.
Can I open it?
Sure.
Is that your brother?
He looks like me.
Did it rain today?
Just a little.
Are you okay with this?
Totally fine.
Do you knit?
My grandma taught me.
How long is the movie?
2 hours.
You use headphones.
All the time.
Is this your coffee?
I ordered tea.
Can you speak French?
Only phrases.
What's the password?
Try 12,345.
Is this yours?
I think so.
Do you like soup?
Especially tomato.
You ride bikes.
Every morning.
Can I get a receipt?
It's in the bag.
Did she text back?
Not yet.
You eat fast.
Too fast, maybe.
Where do we meet?
At the cafe.
Want to go shopping?
Let's do it.
Did you bring cash?
Just card.
Do you like the show?
It's okay.
Can I take this seat?
All yours.
Got enough water?
I'm good.
Do you play chess?
Not well.
What do you cook?
Mostly pasta.
Can I take a photo?
Go ahead.
Do you snore?
Maybe.
You love animals.
So much.
Can I plug this in?
Outlets right there.
Do you wear hats?
In summer, yes.
Are we late?
Still on time.
Do you like noodles?
My favorite.
Can you wait here?
I'll stay.
Are you feeling sick?
Just tired.
Want to. Cook together.
Let's try.
Is this your seat?
No, that's yours.
How's the trip going?
So far, amazing.